February 26, 2017, 12:20 p.m. 906 Bannister Place, Charlotte, North Carolina. Padlock renovation. Gutter is going to need to be cleaned. Debris from the top of the house needs to be removed as well. Torn outside window screen needs to be replaced. Doorbell button casing is missing. Needs to be repaired or removed. Surface scratches and scratches. Wooden floors throughout. Needs to be checked out. It's going to be full paint throughout, including the ceilings. All the trim will need to be painted. Patchwork in the ceilings is going to need to be painted as well. Hairline cracks in the walls and in the ceilings. It needs to be checked out and repaired. Missing cake plate needs to be replaced. Your caulk kitchen backsplash. Claim for a new tenant. Refrigerator drawers off track. Needs to be repaired. Stains on the towel may not come up. Needs to be checked out. Handrail's loose. Needs to be repaired. Sliding doors off track. Needs to be repaired. A large trash out. Lamps, entertainment stands, rails, chairs, clothes. All needs to be removed. Got meter signs holding bathroom door. Also doorknobs loose. Both needs to be repaired. Recaulk the toilet. In the sink. With a broken blind. Toilet seats loose, needs to be repaired. Several stains on the carpets. And multiple pieces separated. Needs to be checked out. I recommend replacing. More markings on the wall. Stained blinds. Crack in the closet door. Needs to be repaired. More stains in the tile that may not come up. Missing dryer duct. And cracks in the doors. More dressing needs to be removed. AC filter. 14 by 20 by 1. Then batteries for smoke and carbon. Another AC filter, 20 by 20 by 1. Closet doors off track. Needs to be repaired. More stained blinds. Any door stops are missing. A small hole in the wall needs to be repaired. Bathroom vanity needs to be repainted. More markers on the wall. Blown bulbs. Bulbs need to be replaced. Recall total. Total C is broken. It needs to be replaced. Recall bathtub. Oh, ma. I'm about to say, what